Laba bobabili babhekene necala lokuzama ukubulala kulandela ukusasazela ngenja Unogada Wasepulazini labo nokuyisigameko esaqoshwa ngevideo nguNogada uVeneruru Kavari. Umbuso usiphikisile isicelo sabo Sebheyili ngelithi lokho kuzobeka engcupheni impilo yofakazi.
The identity of the state witnesses is known to them. There is that likelihood that should the applicants be released on bail, they will interfere or intimidate the state witnesses' worship.
Groenewal wake waliflathela lelizwe eminyakeni eyishumi eyedlule khathi ekhishwe ngebheyili ngecala lokubulala abalisi ababili. Ngakho-ke inkantolo isichithile isicelo sebheyili.
This court come to a conclusion that it will not be in the interest of justice that the two applicants be released on bail. Therefore, the application that they be released on bail is dismissed.
I-NPA isemkele isinqumo senkantolo.
We welcome this bail judgment because we were opposing the case from the start. We know now that there is another case which has been needed because of this matter.
Liphume nobovu ke ezinhlanganweni zomphakathi namaqembu ombusazwe abephikisana nebheyili yabasolwa.
We are very much relieved that the perpetrators have been denied bail. However, we could not say this is the end of the road. We will be very glad if at the end a conviction is secured.
There have always been some doubts around Groblersdal in particular court where we thought things would not be processed properly. But I must say, seated here as the leadership of the ANC in the region, we are quite very happy.
We as the EFF, we condemn any means of apartheid. We do not tolerate.
Icala lihlehliselwe umhlazi 11 kuNdasa.